So today I'm unboxing this microscope, portable digital LCD microscope. Look, the box got a little destroyed. User manual. Video mode, photo modes. Okay. Lightweight. Okay. The power adapter, a USB charging cable. It's a pity that this box got destroyed like this. Okay, base plate. I don't like so much this piece in the front. I would almost want to take it away from the workspace, so I have space here to put the motherboard here, not on top of this thing. Anyway, okay. It has a bolt here. You need a you need a wrench to open this. Okay. So here is assembled. So far so good. I'm going to plug it in now and see how it works. Hold on. Sorry for the movements. Okay. Basically powered by USB. I would imagine that's 5 volts, 2 amps. 5 volt, 2 amps. 2 amps pretty good for such a small thing. Anyway, where does it plug in? Okay, here, micro USB. Oh, that's weird. I plugged this USB cable in and it powered on, so it means it has a battery inside. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure how it works yet. I don't know what oh, okay, yeah, look, wow. Yeah, pretty cool. Of course, I'm very far away. Hold on a second. I want to show you an example of a, I don't really have a motherboard here, but I have something here. Hold on. Okay. Pretty good. And you see I'm actually very far from the piece. This is just a tiny actually again a USB charger. It's crazy. With the naked eye you don't see how dirty this is. Let's see now if I go, one moment, let's put this a little better like this so you can see the screen. The screen is supposed to the screen's supposed to swivel. I'm not sure about the swiveling. Oh, I see what I mean. Okay, it's swiveling on the stand. Not the, I thought that the screen would swivel, but it's the stand that swivels. Okay, that's not helpful in my case. Anyway, I'm just going to go closer. And then focus. Okay. Yeah, so I'm actually pretty happy with this. This is, I mean, just enough for me. And again, hold on a second, let me measure. Hold on. Do you see the piece here? To the light, that's about 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters space from here to here. So there's ample. You know, if you have to solder, like from the side. Let's see here, the knife. Yeah, ample space. I mean, you could probably solder at 3 centimeters. Let's see. But I don't know why I would need that. Let's see, let's go down. very good. Again, I have this cable. If I have to solder, I mean, with my eye, I cannot see here on the board what's on the board. Yeah, this thing here is just like, on my eye, I would say that this is a half a millimeter on 1 millimeter here, this thing. So I'm actually pretty happy with this. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. What can I say? It would be nice if you subscribe, like my video. I upload once in a while. I'm just a normal guy, you know, buying and fixing things. I would appreciate your like and your sub. Thank you very much.